Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best lightbox photography that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below.
Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos.
Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Traver Photo Lightbox Kit. With up to 13,000 lumens, this is a great selection of lightbox photography that you never want to miss. It, therefore, brings about excellent illumination with high-end coloring for vivid and natural shooting effects. More interestingly, it provides you with a total of 4 different backgrounds to choose from for efficient services. Traver Photo Lightbox Kit has a size of 32 by 32 by 32 inches, which makes it excellent for larger photography needs. It also has multi-angle shooting to enjoy a professional photography angle. It has convenient joints to keep it very stable and sturdy for long-term use. You can open the lightbox in 4 ways, angles to shoot objects and enjoy varying professional photography angles. The frame of the shooting box is set up by convenient joints. And the tent body is built with upgrade zippers. No other tools needed for the installation and disassemble. Moving on at number 4, we have Elegant Schwa's Portable Photo Studio Lightbox. The Elegant Choice Portable Photo Studio Lightbox is a convenient and reliable lightbox that you can use in and out of the studio. This is due to the fact that it is a foldable and portable lightbox that comes with a carrying bag. The lightweight box is easy to assemble and disassemble in minutes. Despite the lightweight, it has been built from premium material for long-term performance. With the dual LED strips, the box offers adequate light source strips for a professional shooting of all your favorite photos and videos. It provides you with a total of 6 background colors to choose from. Hence you can always find the ideal color that will suit your photography needs. At number 3, we have emart 14x16 inches Photography Table Lightbox. This is the best seller and professional lightbox that will suit your photographing needs. It has a relatively larger size of 14 by 16 inches in size, hence perfect for smaller to medium photos. Apart from this, it comes with 2 powerful 26 LED light strips with up to 550K. It, therefore, offers excellent illumination needed during the day and night hours. It is a durable lightbox with up to 4 background colors. This implies that the lightbox can be used for different photographing needs. Since it easily folds, you can carry it with you to any given place for convenient photo shooting. At number 2, we have Andure Professional Photo Studio Tent Kit. This is another perfect selection of a portable photo studio you will find a favorite for your tasks. This product is fitted with 2 LED panels to provide proper illumination when working. More interestingly, the unit has a particulate silver reflective interior for better visibility. It is a foldable and portable studio that you can conveniently use indoors and outdoors. To add more, the product supports multi-angle shooting thanks to the top and front opening, hence will meet your demands. The product has different sizes to get the right option for photographing tasks. And finally at number 1, KomSheem Foldable Portable Photo Studio. For the professional photographers, this is a great pick of a portable photo studio you may check out. This product has a unique design, which allows for simpler operation. Other than this, it is fitted with a powerful LED light that offers additional lighting for improved visibility. Also, the product is widely applicable for use with different items like watches, toys, and jewels just to name a few. Furthermore, this portable photo studio has a foldable design, which makes it easily portable and convenient to store. It has a built-in magnetic to allow for easier and faster setup.